Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today, we're at the Coker Cruise Inn in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we got plenty of trucks to show you. Alright guys, so we're out here at the Coker Cruise Inn in Chattanooga. We're checking out a 65 Burb. Scott Berry owns this thing. Scott, how you doing, man?
Doing good today. How you doing, Rob?
Pretty good. Tell us what we're looking at here, other than what I just said.
65 Suburban. Built the thing to drive. Drop spindles. It's got a 86 front clip under it. Power steering, power brake. Got a 96 SS and pallet disc brake rear end, so four-wheel disc brake.
Oh wow, sweet.
Pull over springs. It's got front and rear inch and a half sway bars. Built to drive.
Heck yeah. Let's see what's under the hood of this thing.
We just went with a mid-90s 5.7 quick fuel carburetor. Made it to a performance 700 R4 transmission.
Oh sweet. So you get good gas mileage.
Good gas mileage.
A little
got the
overdrive.
brake system on it with a adjustable proportioning valve, so I can set my brakes the right way.
Heck yeah. Man, this thing is sweet. And what I really like about it are the bumpers.
Bumper
and the grill.
Bumper and the grill I ground down to metal and just left them bare. The grill is actually out of a 65 2-ton truck, like a dump truck, so you can see it doesn't have the center mesh or the blade.
Okay.
It's wide open. Makes it look a little different. Had to just modify the brackets to make it work.
Man, it looks killer. So what did you say the drop was again?
Drop was probably like a 4 or 6.
Okay.
Springs and spindles on the front, 1.5 sway bars. Rear's got the 4-inch spring with a 1.5 sway bar and the coilover shocks.
Awesome. The stance is nailed on this thing. I mean, it looks really, really killer.
Got the clamshell back with the 4-slider windows, and this one would have had the 3rd seat option, but obviously I just got the 2 in.
Obviously, yeah. Well, it looks killer. Still got the wood and the.
Yep.
Scott, you nailed it, buddy.
Built it to drive.
That's right. Yeah, so you've done you did Power Tour last year?
Power Tour, then we done the Coker Cruise a couple of times, and the Turkey Run a couple of times, so we just get in and drive.
All right, guys, so we're here with Charlie's 57 short bed step side. Charlie, thanks for taking the time to show it to us, man. Really appreciate it. So, did you build the truck?
Yeah, I built the truck.
Awesome.
It took me about 7 years.
Wow, 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, well, you've done it right. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, 57 Chevy Truck. It's called a ACCUAIR ELEVEL suspension. Got Detroit steel wheels. It's like a gunmetal grade.
Yeah.
Metallic.
What size are the wheels?
They're 20s.
Okay. So did you do 20 by 8s in the front?
20 by 8 front,
Yeah, those things tuck beautifully. What all have you had done to the interior?
Well, I had the seats redone, and then I made the kick panels and the headliner, and had them recovered so I could incorporate the speakers inside.
I was gonna say, you got tweeters up there, man?
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah, that's cool.
Dakota digital instrument cluster, got Kenwood touchscreen.
Man.
My low-car floor shifter.
Heck yeah.
Custom made sub box I made.
Dang, you must be big into audio, man, because this is some killer stuff.
Look here, good song.
There you go, there you go. So what's the seat material?
This is from a company called Chilwitchy. It's like an outdoor fabric.
Okay.
Like a patio fabric.
Yeah.
I just loved the way it looked.
Yeah.
And so I ordered it from them and had my upholster guy.
Man, that looks awesome. That really does look cool. It looks great with this color. So, speaking of this color, what is it, man? It is
It's
super.
just a GM gray, black
Is
and white.
it really?
On. Yeah, I picked it out of a DuPont book.
It looks like something on like a new Tacoma, you know, or
It
something
does.
like that.
I picked it probably about 5-6 years ago.
Man, it looks killer. So what's going on under the bed? So you mentioned ACCUAIR, you mentioned E-level.
Yeah, got my 2 3-gallon tanks, compressors, my 2 optical batteries to power everything. Custom fabricated gas tank, all this stuff I fabricated.
Wow, you did all this yourself?
Yes, sir. Plasma cut it, and at the shop I work at. And
Charlie, you have killed this, buddy. This is a lot of really cool fab work back here.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I love it.
Is it just a stock rear end, stock axle and everything?
Actually,
or did
that
you?
is out of a 2001 Z something S10 4x4.
Oh, so like a ZR2?
Yes.
Yeah.
It fit perfectly between the fenders and the inner bed sides.
Yeah.
I didn't have to cut anything.
Well, it really does look killer.
383 stroke.
Oh yeah. Man, that is beautiful. Fin valve covers, fin air cleaner. Got the low car dipstick there. What kind of power is it putting out?
You know, I've never had it done up, but the engine bill said somewhere around 500 or something.
Wow. That's killer, man. Really, really clean engine bay. So I don't know as much about the 57 firewalls, but did you shave a lot on the firewall, or are they pretty clean like
this? Lot, but I had to weld a ton of holes up.
Really?
Yeah, there were a ton of holes.
I mean, that's just really, really clean. All American billet, hood hinges. Those things look killer. Okay, so as far as the suspension goes back here, is this a kit or is this something you fabbed yourself?
No, this is all fabbed.
So tell me a little bit about this notch, because this sucker looks really smooth.
Well, I just took a cardboard template and made it and had it burn out in the shop. I didn't want any irregular angles.
Right.
I wanted it just to be smooth and flowing. If you notice, everything has holes in it. That was my theme. When I boxed the frame, I made sure they had holes in them, and of course that turns into like a wire loom. You can run
right.
wires,
You could just run, seamless wiring.
Your fuel line, and
so are you still? What is it? A 4-link?
Yeah, it's a 4-link.
Yeah, 4-link. Yeah. Okay. Man, this thing is just so clean. All right, so one really killer touch on this truck is obviously the bed wood. Clearly it tilts, but what is the actual wood?
Yeah. The actual wood is pine. I stained it with automotive paint and then clear coated it.
That turned out awesome, especially with the gray. Because it's almost like it brings out the black in the grain, or the darker, those darker colors in the grain.
Yeah, it looks great. I'm proud of the way it turned out.
I bet you are.
Remote.
Oh my God.
Put it down.
So you just use a remote to put this thing?
Yeah, you gotta get in it to put gas in it, so.
Man, that is sweet. You just do it with that little controller on it?
Yep, right there.
Man, that is really cool. So are those actuators made for a bed kit?
No, you can use them for anything.
Yo, absolutely, man.
200-pound rated, waterproof, so.
Yeah. That's killer.
12 volts.
I mean, this is just a beautiful truck, man. I really appreciate you taking the time to let us look at it.
No problem. Thank you.
step side. Cool little shop truck. 71, I believe. Maybe 72. Let's go look. 72. You can tell by the screw hole on the door at the vent window. Right there, that's a 72 only feature. Just super duper cool. I think John just told me that he would swap the 700 R4 in here. Yeah, you can see that it's got the big low car shifter there. Still got the hole cut in the floor. But a really cool truck. Got some little traditional peep mirrors there. Richard's Chop Shop. Alright guys, so we're back from the Coker Cruise in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We had a great time, a massive amount of cars and trucks at this show, something like 2,000, 2,500 trucks and cars. It was really, really cool. Coker Tire did a great job putting on this show. We had a great time with C10 Club Georgia. We actually got to film some trucks. Hope you enjoyed the 1957 Chevy truck that we featured here as a part of our coverage from the Coker Cruise In. We hope that you enjoyed that. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what was your favorite part about that truck. The 1957 Chevy truck, airbagged, laid out with a 383 stroker motor that Charlie Simpson built. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. You can smash the thumbs up button below the screen if you like what you saw. Leave us a comment, as I said, letting us know what you think about the 1957 Chevy truck. As always, UnitedByTrucks.com is where you can pick up all your UBT gear, sweatshirts, t-shirts, stickers. Still got the hats coming. They're not posted on the website yet, but we got some new stickers that are like the STP patch, so check those out. We'll catch you next time on Whitlock Garage. Cue the music.